I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a page in my little art journal that I have got going. I started working on this and I thought I would do another collage page because collage is also art. So I hope everybody is doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. I have enjoyed working in the little smaller book. So let's see here. It's just a little something. It doesn't take a lot of time. So let's see what we can come up with here. I like that. Maybe, I don't know about that one. See, I've got some tags here. I know I like that. And I'm just going to put something down because sometimes you can keep questioning yourself and ultimately it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put down. I hope everybody is doing good. The day this comes out, my oldest son will be 32. I don't know how he got to be 32 when I'm only 29. It's just, I don't see how it happens. Okay. So now, I think I did like the these, so I know I'll probably use it. And I like the way that looks. But before I put anything else down, I do want to see what I've got first and what I'll use. Maybe something. And I don't mind the book page being the background. And I do maybe something a little smaller. I like that. Perhaps maybe just half of this. I like that. Yeah. I'm filming this on Monday, but we're supposed to have his birthday dinner, which would have been yesterday for you guys. Supposed to have it on Tuesday. He's his girlfriend has something planned for them on his birthday, so he is going to her house. So we're doing she's coming over and we're going to do our little thing a day early. Okay. Oh, I like that. I just pulled out a bunch of pieces here, and that is what I am using. limit my supplies and I don't have to worry so much. Only thing is I have my whole thing of numbers because you just don't always know the shape. You know, sometimes you want something that's a little bit different shape. Okay, now down here. Let's see what we have. I think that blends too much. And I think it's a little bit too big. I wouldn't mind. Something like that. I do like that. And this one. I just keep adding till I think it's looks pretty. Let's see here. Oh, there's a little bit of pink there, so that might not be bad. Or maybe I think I like that better. I like that. And I don't mind that. Okay, why not? Add that there. I'm thinking I do have this feather, but I want it to go. No, I just don't see that working. Do have some tinier things. See if there's anything there that I might want to use. Just something to put in. Now, do I want to center it or do I want to off center it? think if I off-center it just a tad, but not too much. And if I can find a little circle, for right there maybe. There we go, something just small. I like that. Yeah, I wonder about a little, yeah, I don't mind that. Okay, I like that. And I do want to put a date. Right there. And the only other thing is to do some gold splatters. I just had my eye left my, oh, I'll put them back up. I wonder I couldn't find them. They're where they're supposed to be. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do more of the coppery color. All right, I'm gonna call that one done. See, art doesn't have to take a lot of time. I just keep going till I think it looks pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Take care, and until next time, bye y'all.